So in this video, we want to talk about Starbucks, and sales may get a boost this quarter, but it could come at a cost in lower margins. This is the daily chart, and potentially we have a double bottom, which is potentially a bullish reversal candle pattern. Now, it would have been better if this double bottom occurred just $4 lower. Why? Well, if we scroll down, we can see that was support back in May of 2022, and the buys came in heavy. What do I mean by that? Well, this was the origin of the move all the way from $68 to eventually $115. Now, price almost has come full circle, and in the process of it coming full circle, we had weekly supplies established at the 106 level. We had a counter trend break set up, and we had price retracing back to what was support became resistance. So from a technical standpoint, there is no setup at this moment. Scrolling down to the daily chart, we have earnings in about a week and a half. Question is, what's going to happen on earnings? Well, the last earnings, price sold off. And the earnings before that, price gaps higher only to sell off. And in the earnings prior to that, we had a gap higher. And then the earnings prior to that, price was flat. So you can't really tell based on earnings what's going to happen to the price action. But you might get some clues if you have some inside information or some content behind the potential earnings announcement. So Starbucks needs to find a way to get its business going again. Company has been struggling to grow its top line, and investors have been dumping the stock. Year to date, Starbucks stock has fallen around 20%. It's trading near its 52-week low, but even though its valuation is reduced, investors haven't been rushing to buy the stock. Consumers are trying to cut costs amidst inflation, and swapping out Starbucks coffee for something cheaper is an easy way to accomplish that. With many coffee shops to choose from, Starbucks brand loyalty is being tested. It's offering 50% discounts. The coffee chain can become a more viable option for price-conscious consumers. And according to the Wall Street Journal, the discounts are so significant that this is the first time in more than 10 years that it's offering coffee and breakfast food together for a combined price as low as $5. Now, discounts can help bring in more traffic and generate more needed sales growth, but given the steep type of promotion Starbucks is reportedly offering, it's not sales that investors should be paying attention to in upcoming quarters. It's profits. By offering significant promotions, the company is likely going to report thinner margins, and they have already been trending down. Now, the current quarter will nevertheless be an insightful one to see whether the promotions have a significant impact for the business. In the first 3 months of the year, Starbucks' consolidated net income declined by 2% as it battled with what it referred to as a complex operating environment. The company's net earnings, however, were down by an even steeper rate of 15%. So there's your clues. We could see another sell-off. We could see inevitably what is a move higher. I don't think we're going to get to $82 in a week and a half. So a move higher, say to 70, before the next impulse down. Only time will tell. Again, earnings is in about a week and a half. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.